We stayed at Bottomless Lakes during a record-breaking heat wave, dodged lightning, wrecked the RV, and still managed to visit aliens in 108 degrees.
I was trying to make a U here.
You can't. I said the rig is too big to do that right here. I said that in the very first place. I thought you said you're going down there and you're going to have to turn around.
All right, well,
then you didn't do that.
I'm going to back up and let's see if it gives me some room this way.
So Dave was backing up, trying to turn this corner. I said, let me get out and watch it. And it dented. He hit the post. Okay, you are away from the post now, but you got to keep going. Okay, you got to be careful. And there's another post that's close by our door you will hit into. Wait, stop. Okay, you're just a few inches away. Oh, okay, if you keep turning, you're okay. No, stop. Oh, shoot. Ah! Okay, stop. You just scraped it again, dude.
Okay, I'm going to try and run. I'm going to try and go to the right now and see if it swings about.
Wait. Go to the right. What do you mean? You just did some more damage and scraped up paint on another one by the door. Where are you turning? You're awfully close to a post. You're about 3 inches away. You just ran into this post here and scraped that up. I was trying to.
How do you guys saw me way before?
I said you are really close. You're pretty dang close. You're gonna hit it coming back.
Alright, so
see, you scraped that up now.
if I can go straight back, I think we'll be alright. But I don't.
That comes out at an angle though.
So I'm gonna have to go forward and back and forward and back. If I get close, like
I was told you were. I said you got to be real careful. You're really close. I thought you were going to keep pushing back. We are moving spots at the same campground so we can have full hookups, and so we're going to be here for another week. Stop. Gosh. You are an inch away from scraping again. All right, you're good on the left. It's just that one half post I'm really worried about. Okay, you're about 4 inches from the trailer away from that post. Do you want me to go to the left and see? All right, you're good on the left. And the storm is coming in. You can see, so I'm gonna get this done. I hope we can fit this spot. This is kind of a job that'd be easier with 2 people. Can't wait till our daughter comes back to join us. We'll each get a side. It worked out great that way. We're next to this lovely alien. We were changing sites and we pulled down that area with the posts, or we were coming up along there, and I said, Dave, let me get out so I can guide you around the posts. And he's like, I'm okay. And I'm like, let me get out. By the time I got out, he had already hit into a post and it dented our back corner in and then kind of scraped another area. I think we can kind of fix the dented area, but the paint is what I'm most concerned about because I don't want it to rust. Wind is picking up, storm's coming in. Trying to get into a spot that has full hookups where we just had water and electrical. This one has a 50 amp on it. We were at a 30 amp.
got some good winds as we were just moving from one campsite to another. This one has 50 amps full hookups. We're gonna stay here for a week, so we thought we'd move to this site for about $20 extra for a week. Worth it. But we got some high winds and Patience is now hiding.
Well, I have dirt all in my eyes right now.
She's a dirty woman.
I saved somebody's floaty.
Don't let her fool you. She's a dirty girl. I think everybody's running to their cars. It's just not a good lake day.
Storm going in.
We gotta get unhooked. I don't know what you're gonna do with the floaty.
I'm gonna go return it.
So we're at Bottomless Lakes State Park, right outside of Roswell, New Mexico, and we've been staying here. We got here a couple days ago. It's been hot. I mean, 105 degrees yesterday, 101. It's 93 right now. We're in a massive heat wave in June, and that is not typical temperatures to this area. Even though, you know, admittedly, we know we're RVing wrong. We should be chasing the 70. No, we're chasing the 100 for some reason. Anyways, we're about ready to go take a drive to some of the bottomless lakes, and it's kind of cooled down a little bit because we got cloud cover. So we're gonna go see if we can't do some hiking.
All right, here we go. We're at Blue. No, we're not. Where are we? Oh, Bottomless Lakes. Look how clear that is. I don't know if you can see that coming on camera or not. You can see the fishies, little tiny fishies right there. Look at that, baby fishies. Oh, there's a blue guy.
We've got our sexy life jackets on.
Yes, better be safe.
My bag matches.
The bag of sunscreen and everything. Vessel number 22. So apparently this lake is the biggest lake. It's Leah Lake, and it gets 90 feet deep, which they have been known to do some diving, scuba diving in here. That's kind of cool. Leah Lake at the Bottomless Lake. You ready?
Don't.
Hey,
It's over when you get it in.
Why am I in the driver's seat?
What do you mean? We're both.
I just kidding.
Is orange my color? Please say
Orange
no.
is the new black.
Please say no.
Okay, so that's how you steer it. So it's $10 an hour.
Okay, this way.
We're gonna figure out how to go.
Okay, wait.
I'm gonna do this as a favor to you.
Let's go backwards. Stop!
No, it's a favor.
On the face. Okay, I'm
No, I
done.
never do water in the face. Just in the
Done.
on the seat. I've learned my lesson.
Well, you're missing the seat.
Post in the comments if you've ever learned your lesson not to get your wife wet. So she's driving, I'm filming.
I'm driving, but we're not gonna make it.
Oh, this is why I do the driving.
Okay, stop. Back up.
Boop, boop, boop.
There we go.
We made it! We're free! Green paddle boat. I don't know where we're going. Patience is driving, but the water is really green. She tricked me. She just called this exercise. That's it. I'm getting out.
David, don't get me wet. I think, yeah. Just don't get me wet. And there it goes. Adios, sucker. Adios, amigos. Hey, all times, Dodie. Arturo.
Hey, what you doing?
No, I do not pick up hitchhikers.
Can I come play?
Oh, wait.
That's us that's our spot right there. Patience is turning the boat. After an hour on the lake, we come in and perfect landing. See, we're professionals now. We know what we're doing. Anchor us up. Did you get a workout?
Yes, my legs are cramping. I did a cardio workout this morning, so they're really cramping.
All right, let's watch Patience get out. We'll help her if she gets in the water, I guess.
Got everything?
Yep.
Baby, come here, baby. Oh. Oh,
Walking along more bottomless lakes out here. Just looks like we got a storm brewing, but it's across the street from the main lake that you can swim at.
oh, we have one more day left.
Taylor's away from us right now, and she's gonna get her wisdom teeth pulled and staying with family while she does that, and then she'll be joining up with us again. Once that happens, we'll have our duo will become a trio, or
Well,
a quartet if you include Pip.
we gotta include Pip. He's part of the family.
We're excited to have Taylor back because she really brings a different life to our videos and does a really good job. She's my adrenaline partner. Patience wouldn't jump in the water, but Taylor couldn't pull her out. I'm on top of a mountain in Bottomless Lakes State Park. Just with the sun going down, you got a lightning storm going on in the background. It's way cool.
Steve?
Come on, it's pizza night. Oh, what a night.
First time using Rayo's pizza sauce. Usually we make our own or use another brand. I'm excited.
That's mine, that's hers, making individual pizzas. I'm getting taught how to make a pizza.
Oh, we've made them lots of times. I guess most of the times I've usually made yours too.
So what do you put in the dough?
Just olive oil, salt, bread flour, yeast. Today I added some garlic powder and our daughter's favorite seasoning, Grandpa Lynn's seasoning, garlic powder, and some basil. Ooh, nice toasty. Yum. The sauce is kind of browned, but
Got the red pepper flakes.
so
that
good.
Patience loves.
Yes.
Too spicy for me.
No, you gotta add this. That's what gives it its yumminess. And since this one has a thicker crust, I like dipping it in ranch. I have a yogurt ranch dressing right here.
Who's got the better pizza?
We are going to head into the UFO Research Center Museum in Roswell and see if a UFO really landed here. Come along.
All right, detour. We're going to lunch here at Los Cerritos
Oh, it is
Mexican Kitchen.
past 3:30. This is our dinner.
It's our dinner. Well, it's our senior lunch.
Cooking tonight.
We're doing senior lunch. Patients, you stay in the truck, I'll ask for a senior discount. They'll believe me, but there's no way they're gonna believe you.
Yeah. How old do you think he is? Davis, put in the comments. And put in the comments, how old do you think I am? Curious.
But be careful, careful. I won't get offended, but somebody else will.
Get offended.
Well, the other day in our trading group, somebody sang me happy birthday, and they're like, excuse me, everybody, I'd like to make an announcement, and they sang me happy birthday, and it wasn't my birthday, and I'm like, well, what are you doing? And they literally thought it was my birthday. So everybody wished me happy birthday. So what do you guys do?
Why did they think that?
I think they had it written down wrong or something. But what would you guys do if all these happy birthday wishes came in? Do you just accept them, or do you say no, it's not my birthday? So what would you do in that situation? So I hit them up privately.
Yeah,
and said,
you gotta wait another month.
I'm like, I don't want to rat you out, but there were actually a handful of people that knew that it wasn't my birthday. And it's like, no, it's not his birthday. You get free Slurpees on my birthday. So I'll leave it at that. And then you guys will know when my birthday is for some of you guys. So post in the comments if you figured it out.
I'm done. I just took my bite over than I should have. Took a bite more than I should have.
Just then don't swallow. Oh, my wife is so beautiful. I'm her best. What do you got to say for yourself, young lady?
I'm more stuffed than on Thanksgiving Day, and my husband had nothing to do with it.
Because I didn't make the meal. That's what she's talking about. We finally made it to the highlight of our New Mexico trip, Bahama Bucks. Get a little bit of island flair, get a little bit of a treat on a hot day. It is the hottest day of the year so far. 108, 110, record breaking for this area. So why not stop and get a shaved ice? You know what you want?
No. They have a lot of really yummy looking stuff.
What'd you get? What'd you order?
I got the kind that's striped. So it has the vanilla bluebell ice cream, my favorite ice cream, mixed in with the blue coconut and blue raspberry. So it's like a blue raspberry coconut shaved ice mixed in with the vanilla. And I think she said there's cream on it too. I don't know.
How many times? All right, what did you get?
Coconut blue raspberry with vanilla bluebell ice cream. Yours is better.
That's right. I have no idea what this is because I just asked her to order. I ordered her to ask her to give me whatever, surprise me is what I said. Sometimes those are the funnest things to do because you get what they want, right? You get what they like, they work here, they know what they do. So a lot of times I'll say, hey, just surprise me. So we're gonna taste this right now and see what it is. That's really good. Coconut.
Taste mine.
It's coconut with tiger's blood, I think. That's what I would say. Tiger's blood. Hey.
Yours is better than mine.
Did you know that it's Sonic the Hedgehog's birthday month? Happy birthday, Sonic.
Well, a dented RV, a heat wave, paddle boats, aliens, and the best shaved ice ever, I'd say New Mexico delivered. But this was just one chapter. Want to see what happened when we visited Carlsbad Caverns on one of the busiest weekends of the year? We nearly missed our reservation. Or what went down when a fighter jet crashed right inside White Sands National Park on Patience's birthday. Tap the next video, come along, because New Mexico wasn't done with us yet.